Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through setting up a Zap that connects Gmail to Google Sheets. Perfect for saving incoming emails directly into a spreadsheet. Start by logging into your Zapier dashboard, then click Create Zap from the top left corner. Find your trigger app, search and select Gmail. Now, choose a trigger event. Let's go with New Email. Click Continue, then connect your Gmail account if you haven't already. Next, Zapier will ask you to test the trigger. This pulls in a recent email from your inbox to make sure everything works correctly. Now, move on to the Action app. Search for and choose Google Sheets. For the Action event, select Create Spreadsheet Role and hit Continue. Choose your connected Google Sheet account, then pick a specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the email details saved. Map the data from the Gmail trigger like the subject, sender, or timestamp to the appropriate column in your sheet. Once done, click Test and Continue to make sure everything works as expected. If the test is successful, click Publish Zap. And that's it, guys. Your Gmail to Sheet automation is now live. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.